Hey, today we're going to be doing everybody's favorite job, fixing a marine toilet. As you can see, mine developed a leak. It's spraying water all over the place, so it was time to get it rebuilt. Seal kits can be found for all of these toilets, impellers, all the rest of the parts can be purchased at Go-To Marine. You just need to know what toilet you got, what model. Go online and look it up. I needed repair kit 29101-0000 for my job school toilet. Model number's right here on the motor, in case you need to find it. Okay, so kit came with the instructions. These are the install instructions. This is actually a conversion from the manual toilet, so you can get this kit to convert a manual toilet into an electric flush toilet. So we're just gonna dig in. It's not really complicated. Don't need a whole lot of tools. And you can do this in place. You don't have to remove the toilet in order to complete this repair. We are going to start by removing this from the base. You really don't want to take the toilet off of this base if you can avoid it. So far all the tools I've needed: flathead screwdriver, 9/16 wrench, and a 7/16. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside for now so that I can take a look at this, because now that I've got this all exposed, that doesn't look so happy to me. Okay, looks like that was just a little bit of leftover junk from a previous repair by the last owner. So, got that part off. Now we start going and taking it apart. This cover, 4 screws. Half and half bleaching water. Okay, the next part's the chopper blade. So many flathead screws. So we got everything apart. Matched up all the pieces and the parts. Now just got to clean. A little solution of bleach. Sometimes Brian was so dumb. Okay, so we got the switch back in. Make sure it's on the spring.
That's the gasket. too big of a screw. Spin it and give it. Gotta make sure you tighten the bolts down pretty good because you're compressing the gasket to make sure it does actually seal.
Okay, that's that end all done. Is there a gasket on that side?
Okay. Yep, get the new gasket in so we don't have this issue again.
He's not for tomorrow. Would be nice.
There's two gaskets there because there's one for the upper and one for lower. So pay attention to your bolts because some of them may not be the same as others. Got something. See, this is why it's important. Because I was looking at the gasket and going, why do we have the other gasket? Because we didn't put the chopper blade back on. This gasket will go right here. Now the plate goes on.
And the plate goes on.
Make sure it's nice and tight because we found it loose. Make sure all your bolts are nice and tight to compress it because I don't think you want to get sprayed with water at all. And there we go. Now your pump is back together, ready to reinstall. Just have to put this hose back on right here and reinstall on your toilet, and it's ready to go.
That's right, I need to do that first. All right, we're gonna finish getting this put back together and then take it down to the boat and reinstall it.